Hope you guys miss me as well. There's such creative ways of dying in Mumbai. Another day and another ride. A very sunny ride after ages, it seems. Holy moly, been a while. I missed everything and I hope you guys missed me as well. I mean, मेरे को गालियाँ पड़ती रहती है. YouTube password भूल गया, YouTube password भूल गया. Remember you also have a YouTube channel? ठीक है भाई, थोड़ा सा मैं बिजी क्या हो गया, ऐसे बात करने लग जाते लोग. पर ठीक है. Today is a very nice day and an opportunity for me to get out of home. Damn, that's a X7? X7, yeah. I'm out, especially with this bike after ages. I had to dhaka start it because, of course, it had been lying in my parking for almost a month. I used to start it once in a while, but I mean, it needs just 1 week to fully drain its battery, so it is pointless. But I still used to dhaka start it and take it out for a short spin around the Royal Palms region. Hi. What's your name?
Naman. हाँ तो बमन.
That's a nice bike though.
Thank you so much. I came to live around here.
Oh, you are headed to work now?
No, not work.
Then?
We're going to Roaring Toys right now.
Okay. Nice. Chalo, pleasure meeting you. See you around. Chalo, निकलते ही subscriber दर्शन हो गए. Yeah, so I was saying that this bike, see, the last 2-3 weeks Mumbai was under a infrastructural emergency of sorts. It was raining so hard and Mumbai was almost about to detach from the mainland and just turn into an island of its own. I mean, to be fair, Mumbai was an island earlier, so it would have just gone into its own shape eventually. But जिस हिसाब से भाई the last 1 week or 2 जो बारिश हुई है भाई साहब, I mean, you must have already seen it in the news and everywhere. Thankfully here it wasn't as bad, but in certain regions, bhai, Kurla, Nala Sopara to had turned into a full-blown Nala. I guess that's why it is called Nala Sopara. Is this the every year phenomena? I might want to look it up, guys. Please let me know, why is Nala Sopara called Nala Sopara? And if it's called a Nala Sopara because of its nature of turning into a Nala, why is it called Sopara? The nation wants to know, guys. But anyway, bhai, the condition, all of these infrastructural marvels that we had, Milan subway, Nala Sopara, Kurla, Mumbai Express Highway, had all submerged underwater. मस्त SL वर्ल्ड बन चुका था सब जगह पे. अरे नेशनल ज्योग्राफिक बन गया अचानक से. मैं लोग मज़े तो ले रहे थे भाई. And on the other hand, the missing link went missing. The missing link that was just 9 weeks old. A pillar just fell and there was landslide along with it. So, well, that went for a toss. The irony of it being named a missing link. Of course, I can't go in detail. Nahi to FBI will come at my home if I criticize the government's work too much.
ऐसे कुछ भाड़े के टट्टे.
But bhai, matlab, if that wasn't enough, there were trees falling every once in a while, and big trees, huh? Like, I've seen so many trees falling over cars, over bikes. There was one guy that also apparently, unfortunately, died in RA, which is why I just didn't step out. My parents also very categorically told me कि भाई चुपचाप घर में बैठा रहे, just don't step out. Actually, it is very apparent at this point that it is a concretization of every street out there. Which, see, this is exactly why I love potholes, guys. I like those tar roads where you get potholes, you get your entertainment, and also these trees get to live. Concretization chokes up the roots of all of these trees, and when the soil just weakens around them, they fall. It's as simple as that. Which is why I always love Ramesh Vakancharan. Those are the actual lungs of Mumbai, not the trees. Ramesh Vakancharan helped trees breathe, and that's when the trees help breathe us. So you आप प्रोनोलॉजी समझ ली. Which is why as I said, right, my just parents were like, don't get out, do all of your content from home, because honestly that's what it is, right? Riding in Mumbai is like a gamble, especially in the rain. You never know, there may be an oil spillage somewhere, like you can't see the roads, they are underwater, so you don't know what you're riding over. There may be a manhole out of nowhere, and you won't even realize when you fall into it and end up on the other side of the globe. It is a time machine, it is a wormhole, guys, and that is what riding in Mumbai is. It is like playing a game of Mario. Like there may be any cheat trap somewhere, and there's such creative ways of dying in Mumbai. And you may think that I'm joking about people's deaths. No, I am not the one that is joking about people's deaths. It is you know who that just doesn't care about citizens' life. There's no value for citizens' life. I'm sorry, I sound very anti-nationalist, and I have the privilege of getting the chance to stay at home and work from home. Not everyone gets an opportunity to do that, so which is why jhak maar ke we have to get out of home and step into this unpredictable adventures. And ironically, what happened was BMC, apparently something that came from the High Court, that BMC is like, no bro, I mean sure, it is our responsibility to give you better infrastructure, but then it is at the same time also the responsibility of the citizens. Now I genuinely don't understand how is it our responsibility. I mean sure, there's civic sense, I give you that. Civic sense is a huge problem in India. People just lack it. But to say that the condition of Mumbai right now, or the condition of Indian infrastructure right now, is a result of the citizens of the country, I mean you're stretching it, guys. I mean there's lack of responsibility and there's just outright audacious disregard. So never mind. I mean I'm not gonna go into detail, but at the end of the day, what I'm realizing is your own safety is in your own hands. So love it or hate it, you will have to take responsibility for it. And it's like very easy, guys. I mean we plan everything pretty much in our lives. Even on the roads, our trips, we plan our trips, we plan our fuel stops, we plan our luggage, we do everything, but we don't plan our medical insurance, for example. And a medical emergency out of nowhere can literally wipe out your savings. It has happened to people around me, and I know how terrifying it is. But even then we avoid thinking about insurance because, let's face it, it is complicated. The terms and conditions, reading through the fine print, it is genuinely a maze. And this is where our video sponsor Ditto comes to our rescue. Now, Ditto is a company that is backed by Zerodha, but it is not just another insurance company that is trying to sell you something. They in fact guide you to understand insurance properly, and then also advise you with the best kind of solution for your situation. And not just that, if you have any problems with regards to your insurance, like for example claim denial, they also help you with all of the documentations and paperwork and sorting all of it out. But what really changed things for me with regards to Ditto was that they have this weekly insurance masterclass that happens in English language. Now this is about a 60-minute session in which they cover pretty much everything with regards to insurance. Day 1 is for life insurance and day 2 is for health insurance. And about 50,000 people have already enrolled in this masterclass, including me. I learned about waiting periods, about copay, about room rent limits, and all of these nitty-gritties that not everyone usually talks about. And the best part is that the first 500 of my subscribers get free access to this masterclass. All you have to do is click on the link in the description and register yourself. And trust me, doing something like this is actually going to help you sleep better at night. Because again, as I said, right, if no one is going to take responsibility of your life and no one is going to look after you while you're out on the roads, may as well take action into your own hands and look after yourself. Oh bhai sahab, I mean I'm very happy that it stopped raining, but then immediately bhatti chalu ho gayi yaar. Mumbai is all about extremes. Ya to extreme barish, ya to extreme heat. There's nothing in between. By the way, I'm headed to Bandra to get my bike serviced. It is that time of the year, guys.
सिस्टम को मैसेज आया कि आपको तुरंत आपकी देश की ड्यूटी पर बुलाया जा रहा है. अब मेरे ड्यूटी का कॉल आ गया है.
भाई अभी ऐसा हो गया है ना कि चलाना कम, सर्विस करना ज़्यादा हो गया है. And don't get me wrong, there's nothing wrong with the bike. Halley's Comet just comes once in a while, goes diagonally and passes you without you even registering it. Anyway, हाँ भाई मतलब there's nothing wrong with the bike. It's just that yearly, half yearly service that is scheduled, right? भाई करना पड़ता है भाई, वारंटी है. इधर से ही है ना एग्जिट अपना वाला? Oh no, it is probably the next car. Damn, I shouldn't have taken this exit. देखता हूँ. I've got the entire day. What is that? अरे यार, I forgot my watch. I've got the entire day for myself today. Slightly gotten a little free after ages, so now I'm gonna take the opportunity to chill for a bit. Service center जाऊँगा. I'll have the entire day. My day is like that. मैं service center जाता हूँ. I spend the day looking after the bike. I mean, it doesn't need that, but थोड़ा peace of mind रहता है. But ठीक है, मतलब I dedicate an entire day for service. अब उसके बाद अगर थोड़ा time बच गया, there's honestly not much to be done on the motorcycle, so it should get done quickly. And एक बार वो हो गया, I'll maybe go to Saddle Diaries and spend some time there. And despite of it being so sunny, I still got myself the raincoat because I genuinely don't trust Mumbai weather. It is a red flag, to say the least. And the problem is that I am prepared for the rains, but there's no ventilation, so I'm completely cooked inside my jacket right now. I'm not wearing any rain pants though, so I mean, now that I think of it, I don't understand the point of me wearing the rain jacket as well, because what is the point of being partially protected? Yeah, should have thought this through. This is the thing, guys. I mean, today's learning is, if you're getting a raincoat, get yourself fully covered. If not, don't bother. Don't even bother wearing the half raincoat that you have. Damn it. Oh god. Bapre, this feels good for a change. The shade. Chalo ji, now we'll reach at the service center to pamper my little baby. It is not in the best condition right now. It is a little dirty. तो थोड़ा बहुत इसकी धुलाई सुलाई हो जाए, उसके बाद I will see you guys. चलो जी, आ गए हैं हम हमारे यूजुअल स्पॉट पे. शुभम कुठे आहे? शुभम
अरे
कसा आहेस भाई? ए what? Don't tell me this is a limited. Oh, it is not. It is not. For a second I got. मी म्हटलं लिमिटेड एडिशन आली की काय दुसरी? चलो भाई, थँक यू ब्रदर, एकदम टाइम टू टाइम केल्याबद्दल. चल भाई, आपल्याला पाठी जायचं आहे का? इकडून पाठी जायचं आहे? तरी नशीब आता एक आजचा दिवस पाऊस नाही. मी काल येणार होतो, काल पाऊस होता म्हणून कॅन्सल केलं मी. Back at Saddle Diaries.
A few moments later.
Hello. Okay, my audio is perfect. Look at that beauty. Whew. CBR, triple R. Bro, so light. Fuck. Feather light, bhai. Damn. गरम आहे ना? गरम आहे ना? हॅलो. Oh my god, this is so nice to grab onto, dude. Oh, that sound is so fucking beautiful. But the tank is so nice to grab onto, dude. It's nice and hefty. You don't need to put any weight on your arms. There's a Mustang over there. Crazy, dude. Oh man. And it's not just a hollow ringing sound, it's proper grunt, huh? I don't see myself shifting to second. Bhai, what a bike. I obviously don't own it, so which is why I'm not gonna push it. Holy shit though. Oh yeah, the Honda, typical Honda indicator and everything. I'm sure it has a quick shifter. such a nice riding position as well. Fucking hell, what have I done to myself? One shouldn't be riding such machines, dude. You can't go back to what you were riding earlier. You know what? I'll take a U-turn from here because I don't know the way. Wow, U-turns are a little tricky on this one. Your handlebar literally touches the tank. Man, you can so easily tuck into this, dude. You can't go past first gear, dude. You run out of road. I know, bro. I'm equally bewildered. It goes mental after probably 6,000 RPM. It goes mental after 10,000 RPM. I don't have balls to look in the speedometer, but you must get an idea. I've not changed gears. Fucking hell. Such a nicely balanced motorcycle as well, dude. Like, the weight distribution is beautiful. You don't have to put your leg down. See? Now I put my foot down. But what a beautiful machine, dude. This is such a treat to ride. That's worth 38, by the way. So after 10,000 RPM it goes mental, huh? Proper. काय खेचते प्रॉपर यार. हाँ ना. Look at that.
Later that same evening.
चल bye bro. See you around. Yes, for sure. चलो. बेटू. चल भाई. Done. Okay, that was a unexpectedly exciting day. Riding a Fireblade RRR, by the way, Triple R. Wasn't on my checklist today. But yeah, life surprises you with such pleasant experiences. The CBR surely has done something to me. Hey, look at the condition of the tree right now. It is just a matter of time till it falls. It is so fucking risky, dude. This is what I'm talking about, guys. It is a gamble that you play on Mumbai streets, really. Oh, damn. Look at that. Beauty. So beautiful. Is that an Octa? Holy shit. 1001. Bro has just gone all out. This is not what you usually get to see, huh? Holy smokes. That is not an Octa, though. Lovely though, lovely color, lovely number plate, lovely stance. Everything is just beautiful. Arey yaar, look at that traffic. God damn, it's gonna be miserable.
6.5 hours later.
Oh, it is so fucking humid, dude. Shit. Kantala aa gaya bhai. It is gonna pour. It was fully dry throughout the day. Once I reach home, it is gonna pour. चलो थोड़ा सा गन्ने का जूस लिया जाए. पावर 95 डाला जाए क्या? पूछते हैं इथेनॉल कितना है भाई. पावर में इथेनॉल कितना है?
5%.
पावर डाल दो फिर.
कितना?
500 का डालो. I know that I'm gonna not ride it enough. पक्का 5% है.
हाँ, यही मुझे बताया गया है, तभी पता नहीं.
Brother just detached himself from all responsibilities possible. The thing is that I'm trying to not take this bike out as much as I can in the rains. But is it actually 95%? I mean, I really doubt. I mean, it says power 95, but I feel that it is octane rich petrol and not ethanol free. Oh man, here it's much colder, dude. It feels so nice here. Bhai, trees are necessary. Feels so damn cool here. Chalo ji, we have finally made it in one piece, and before the rain storms us with his wrath. So, chalo, I hope you guys liked what you saw, and I'll see you very soon.
And before you leave, don't forget to register for Ditto's Insurance Masterclass from the link in the description. See you again very soon.
Bonus.
अंकल जी को बहुत ज़्यादा जल्दी है. Wow, there was aura 20,000 minus, of course.
So please whatever. Please I want to reach 1 million likes. So please sarapakarai.